Sometimes you watch a video where frame is talking and you are wondering, you are just surprised, how can frame be talking? How is it even possible that a frame should be talking? All right, don't worry. In this video now, we are going to be showing you how to create such videos. Okay, just stay tight as we walk you step by step how to create a talking frame video. All right, it is called magic. Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. You use portrait mode or landscape mode, whichever one that is preferably to you. After that, you walk in as you see me walking now. Then you make a seat and record your video. Say whatever you want to say. Deliver that message you want to deliver for a few seconds or few minutes depending on you. After delivering the message, after doing your recording now, you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, click on photos, import your background you want to use for this video, import it, click it and drag it to the duration of your video. After that, you can now come back, then you mark anywhere and click on overlay, add overlay, click on video again, import your video this time. So import your video now. You locate where you want your video to start from, guys. Locate where you want the video to start from. Then you click on it. After you have located it, click on your video now and make a split here. Make a split. Delete the first part. We don't need it. Click this one and take it to the beginning of the video. Drag it to the beginning. After that, you'll be clicking on overlay again. Click on overlay. Click on photos again, import your frame you want to use, your green screen frame, drag it to the duration of the video. As you drag it now, then you come back, you go and locate remove BG. Look for remove BG now, guys. Then you click on remove BG, you click on chroma key, then you drag it, you mark on that good and go back. You click it again to remove the green completely. Look for adjust, guys. Click on adjust now. HSL, click on it, mark on green, reduce saturation to 100% and mark on that good and go back. So at this point, you can click on your background and drag that chair close. That is if you want. Drag that chair close. After that, then you work on your frame as well. Look at what I am going to be doing now. After working on the chair, I am still working on the chair. After working on the chair, then you work on your frame. All right. After working on your frame, the next thing now is go and locate mask. Look for mask. Okay, as you can see that the video is longer than the frame, so we look for mask now. You click on mask, click on rectangle now, then you resize your image, resize it inside that frame. After resizing it and doing your necessary adjustment, you are going to be marking on this good here to go back, but take time to make your resizing so that your resizing is going to be perfect. Look at what I am doing. After resizing and doing everything, then you are going to be marking on this good and go back. Look at it. Then you use your hand, then you drag the image down and adjust it the way you want it to be. After the whole adjustment now, we are going to be playing the video to see how it look. Play it so that we see what we have got so far. So look at the video now. Look at the video playing. All right, just surprised. This is the video playing now. As you are watching it, if there is any error, maybe the frame is longer or whatever, you do your necessary adjustment. But after watching it and there is no any such thing like that, then the next thing we are going to be doing is to remove the unwanted parts from this video. All right, look at this place where you are about standing up. You are going to be clicking on the image or the background first, then you make a split. Image, make a split. Green screen, make a split. Delete the three of them because they are not useful again. After that, you come now and play the video But as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After that, you export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. DM me. I'll put you through on how to add those necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. Now you can click on export now and export this your video to your gallery. As you can see that the video is exporting your size patient. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Alright, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to your YouTube channel for more update. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, and just in case you need that green screen frame, all right, don't hesitate to DM me, then I will send it to you. All right, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.